Welcome to AndroIndian. In today's session, we explore how a value delivery system transforms project management into a true engine of business value. For decades, project success was measured by time, cost, and scope, the traditional iron triangle. But modern organizations demand more. Delivering on schedule is no longer enough. Today, projects must generate measurable, lasting value, financially, strategically, and socially. This shift has given rise to what we call the value delivery system in project management. A value delivery system is not a single tool. It is an integrated ecosystem that transforms investments into realized stakeholder benefits. It connects strategy, governance, project execution, and benefits realization into one coherent framework. At its core, the value delivery system ensures every project activity is a direct response to the organization's overarching strategy. It begins with strategy, where the organization's long-term vision and measurable goals are clearly defined for all teams. Governance then provides the necessary oversight and decision-making framework to ensure constant alignment with those goals. Portfolio management then takes over, selecting the specific initiatives that promise the highest strategic and financial returns. Programs and projects then execute these initiatives with a relentless focus on both efficiency and the intended outcomes. Finally, operations sustain that value through ongoing maintenance, performance monitoring, and continuous improvement cycles. In an Indian context, think of massive infrastructure projects like the Mumbai Metro. Success isn't just about completion. It's about the economic value, time saved, and social connectivity delivered to millions of people every single day. Effective governance manages risks and stakeholders across the complex regulatory and environmental landscapes we face here. Technology also plays a crucial role, from AI-driven resource tracking to automated risk assessments. Systems like UPI Integrated Logistics and VTS provide real-time data to monitor benefits realization at every stage. By focusing on value rather than just completion dates, PMOs transform into strategic hubs of organizational maturity. To implement this, start by defining exactly what value means for your specific stakeholder group and organization. Ensure your KPIs track long-term benefits and ROI, not just traditional project metrics like budget or schedule. The future of project management is value-led and strategic. Thank you for joining us at AndroIndian to explore this transformation. Visit AndroIndian.com to learn more. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.